are back in the chicken hutch, day 2, egg watch. Let's have a look how she's doing. Made a bit of a squeal there. Not disturb her for too long. Nice and up close. You can hear her squealing there. She doesn't want us anywhere near, and if I put my hand anywhere near, she'll peck it. Right, we'll leave her be. Leave her be. Only day 2, only 19 days left. 19 to about 20 months. So let's interview the other chickens, see what they think about the impending hatching of more chickens. No? Yeah, well, okay. What about you? Anything to say about it? No? Right, okay then, just show me your bottom. What about you, little girl? No, nothing to say. Right then. So there we have. No, nothing to say. Okay then. Right. Goodbye from the chickens.